Boeing Tower, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot 32 right, Mercer departure.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Boeing Tower, Mercer departure approved, runway 32 right, clear for takeoff.
32 right, clear for takeoff, Mercer departure, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. Finals clear, runway's clear. A little bit of crosswind from the left, here we go.
Jet speed 4, traffic point in the parallel, Bonanza will be a right-hand turnout, runway 32 left, clear for takeoff.
Fuel flows at the red line, airspeed's alive, gauges are green. Rotate. Positive rate times 2. Gear up. Clear right. Clear right. Arlington traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, 900 miles south-southeast, planning left traffic, 34 Arlington. Arlington traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, 4 miles south, planning left traffic, 34 Arlington. Arlington traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, 3 miles west, entering the 45, left traffic, 34, full stop Arlington. Approach flaps.
Arlington traffic, 701 runway Foxtrot, will be taking off runway 11 with a left downwind departure to the south. Arlington traffic.
Arlington traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, turning left downwind, 34, full stop Arlington.
And correction, 701 runway Foxtrot, taking off runway 34, left downwind departure, Arlington.
Green. Arlington traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, turning left base, 34, full stop Arlington. Finals clear, airlines clear, runway's clear. Arlington traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, turning final, 34, full stop Arlington. Props coming in. Okay, 3 green, mixtures rich, props forward, full flaps ready to land. Slightly above glide path on center line, speed looks good. A little bit of power.
Arlington traffic, come over runway Foxtrot, is left crosswind 34, Arlington.
Crosswind from the left.
Arlington traffic, coming over runway Foxtrot, left downwind 34, touch and go Arlington.
Arlington traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, clearing 34, Alpha 3, northbound Alpha.